First of all, good evening, ma'am. It's not evening time.
Now. Yeah, almost evening time.
Yeah, ma'am.
So we are meeting very first time.
Yes,
May
yes,
I know
ma'am.
about you?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. As you know, my name is Priyanka, ma'am, and I'm connecting with you from UP. My city is Meerut. And if I talk about my qualification, ma'am, I have done BSc and then I have done 2 year teaching diploma. And currently, I'm teaching in a school. And simultaneously, I'm running my small YouTube channel. Name is called English with PL. Yeah, if I talk about my hobby is all nowadays. I have hobby related to spoken English and reading books as well, watching English podcast. Yeah, ma'am, that's all about me.
Will make a story and I will speak some sentences and
Okay.
after that you will complete that story. Okay. This story is related to friends. Okay. So friends. Yeah. Yesterday I came across with my friend and I was delighted to see her. Then I asked her, could you go with me and spend some quality time? And she agreed and ready to move. Now it's your turn.
Okay, she ready to go with me. After that, we went outside and then we enjoy there and we enjoy uh like we went outside for sightseeing a particular place. That place was amazing. So we enjoyed that place view and after that we did enjoy like some snack with coffee because after traveling we feel exhausted sometime. So yeah, ma'am. And then after enjoying snacks and coffee, after that we did some talk about because we meet after long time, so we having a conversation with her, and after that we finish our conversation, we came back at home.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it was nice story and you complete it very well. And
Okay, thank you.
yeah, this is and these kind of things we can practice and we can make ideas what should be add. Yeah, these kind of it is a better best thing to create a
Yes,
story
yes,
and
ma'am.
then our mind uh, get ready to creativeness. We can make another story.
Okay.
In the morning I went to park around 6 o'clock. I
Okay.
walk around. I walk around the park, and uh, I was I was watching a girl. That girl was swing. That girl was swing and playing on the seesaw, and she also creating misbehave to other children. And she, a girl, was fall down by a boy. I saw the girl fell down on the floor, on the ground. So it's your turn.
After that I will help that girl because she fell
Your
down.
video is paused.
Okay, let me check, ma'am.
Now
Now
it's
it's
okay. Yeah.
yeah, ma'am. So I was saying, ma'am, uh, when I see that girl fall down, and so first of all, I will help her because she fell down, and after that, I'll talk with her because she was misbehaving with other children. So I will suggest her don't misbehave with others because we all are human, so we should have sympathy and empathy to others. Yeah, ma'am, and I will suggest her and I will help. Yeah, ma'am. After that, I will move for another activities, park like yoga and other. I can do other activities at that place. After that, yeah, ma'am.
Could you repeat your story again?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
As you told me, ma'am, that girl fall down. So first of all, I
That
will help.
girl fell down on the ground.
Yeah. So first of all, I will help her and
Yes.
yeah, ma'am. After that, as you told me, that girl misbehaving with others, so I will suggest her don't misbehave with others because we all are human and we should empathy to others persons. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
And then I
Okay.
will do other activities like yoga and yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, could I correct you?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
So, yeah, I told you this story in past.
Okay.
Okay. So, I told you the girl fell down on the ground. So, you don't say will. I would help. You use I would help her
Okay.
and suggested suggested her don't misbehave.
Every sentence we
And
will convert in past. Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, you should have made this sentence in the past. So we should have empathy and sympathy with another children, and we could do yoga and walk around the park. So we
Yeah.
because story is dedicated to the past. So when we make sentences of the story, so we use past form.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Uh, I think you don't mind.
No, ma'am. I'm just all here listening to you.
Yeah, yeah, because we are learner. When
Yeah,
sometimes
ma'am.
I can
Definitely,
mistake
I'm
you.
here. I'm not good at English and I don't have that much knowledge about grammar. Still, I'm trying to learning, so I'm here only learning.
That's
Yeah, ma'am.
why we have a responsibility. You and
Yes,
me have a responsibility. Whenever I make mistake and you make mistake, so
ma'am.
we should correct each other.
Yeah, ma'am. Exactly.
Yeah. Now, may I know about your childhood memory, childhood story, memorable story?
Childhood, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. When I was in ninth standard, so I was good at study. So all teachers loved me very much because I was good at study. So, but my friends always jealous to me because I was favorite student of my teacher. So one of my English teacher, he always told me you should have to sit in front seat. No, ma'am. See, he always told me you don't sit in front seat because if you will sit back seat, so you can help other weak childrens. So if I have a English period, so that time I try to sit last seat because I know very well. English teacher always said to me that time don't sit in front seat, so that is why I always prefer to sit last seat. Yeah, ma'am. So my friends always jealous to me because of I was good at study. Yeah, ma'am. So that was a
So why did they told you to sit last seat in English period?
because ma'am, I was good at study. So we generally weak student seat last seat. So that time I can help weak students. So it was intention of my teacher.
Okay, and um, in math period you used to sit in front seat.
Yeah,
Why?
ma'am. On English period because I know very well that time teachers said to me, you can't sit in front seat.
Because
Be- because in the English period always English teacher said to me, you
no,
can't
no,
sit.
no. In English period you used to sit last seat. Okay, and
Yes,
in math period you used to sit in front
in
seat.
front seat.
Why?
Yeah, ma'am. Because English teacher, why you are sitting here? If I said that you can't sit here.
Nice meeting you, and I felt so much fun with you. Nice talking to you.